Hi, welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 2, A, B, and C. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. For this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238. Now, question number 2A, which is consider the natural actions of the 𝐺𝐿2 on the N2 of the set of 2 by 2 real matrices by left multiplication. And second one is let H with a finite group, and for some prime P, let P with the P subgroup of H which is normal in H. Suppose H is a normal K where K is a finite group, then show that P is normal in K. And C is find the elementary divisors and invariant factors of Z and Z12 and Z15. So if you want this, you can contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.